All right, folks, you're looking at the Lodge Dutch oven cast iron equipment of mine, and my wife is gonna make some lumpia. That's like a Filipino egg roll, and she makes the greatest in the world. I promise you that. She makes the best. But so I gotta ask her a question. She ain't gonna use the whole ordeal here. Which pan do you want to use? The deep or the shallow?
It doesn't matter.
We can't hear you.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. I'm going to give you the deep then.
This one. Oh.
You want the deep one? Okay, let's go to the stove. Apply some heat to that thing. You already got the heat on. Very good. That's good. You want to transfer that heat, that oil? But she already made some. We already had some. She made these lumpia, the lumpia today. Look at that. That is some wholesome Filipino stuff. But how many are you gonna make? Oh, you're gonna use a little bit of olive oil, huh? Where did we get this olive oil? Costco?
Costco.
Costco, she says. Organic. I don't care about that word. Extra virgin oil, olive oil. That's good. And I'm pretty happy. I had like 2 or 3 of them already. I'm on a diet. But this ruins it all. The stove gets trashed out when you cook some lumpia here. I love my Lodge Dutch oven though. Cast iron Dutch oven. So right now we're just going to wait for this oil to heat up, which it's already doing, because this equipment, this cookware is amazingly great. We're getting to a smoke point right now, as you can see. So little lady, you're going to have to get over here and start cooking this.
You can.
No, I'm not cooking it. You are. The video's on you.
No.
Come on. She got the lumpia. Okay, want me to get on that side? Am I okay over here? You make my coffee for tomorrow morning? No answer. I gotta make my own coffee. See that? See how that's how she does it, folks. She puts like 3 or 4 in there. A little deep fry. Oh, she's putting 5 in. She defied me there. She turned it down a little bit. The rest of the package goes right back in the freezer. Here is evidence that I've already had some. It was good. She says, "You want to cook more?" I said, "Yes." Okay, you see her technique? She has the best technique in cooking this stuff. So look at those babies. They're getting golden brown. She's having a hard time flipping that one over. Just get a pair of tongs, you know. Oh, there she goes. She's got it. My little lady is the best lumpia maker in the world. I declare, because I can. She's having a hard time flipping that one over. She's reaching for the tongs. Let's see. Oh, she's getting another spatula. Oh, okay. We got some action here. Do you need a little hotter? No? You like that crackling? You like that Dutch oven, huh? Yeah, see, look at those things. Great.
Yes.
Okay, she's about to remove it, folks. Let me tell you the ingredients of this lumpia. She's got some ground beef, Sometimes you use ground beef mixed with ground pork, which is something I love. There's also carrots. There's onions, celery. Is there any other vegetables?
Celery.
Yeah, I already said celery.
Parsley.
Parsley. Yeah. Accidentally bought some parsley, so she used it in there.
Not parsley.
Cilantro.
Yeah, cilantro.
Cilantro. We got a smoke point here, folks. I'll turn on the fan. Better yet, we got some lumpia. Let's get ready to eat some. Alright, so we got the lumpia here on the plate, and little lady's gonna eat her lumpia with some spiced vinegar, Filipino style. And then she likes a little sweet red chili on there too. Me, I just like ketchup. Looks like a murder scene. And here it is with the finished product. She doesn't make this enough. You hear her laughing. I have asked her to make it so many times. But what was the event that you're making this for?
Potluck
For where?
for the church.
For the church. Yeah, I still reap the benefits of the potluck for the church. I got a good wife. For the church. Hail to the church. Good stuff.